Have you ever wondered how to make sense of large amounts of data? How to turn seemingly chaotic information into meaningful insights? Well, there's a tool that can help with that. It's called Power BI, and it's a powerful data analysis and visualization tool used by professionals all around the world. So what exactly is Power BI? It's a suite of business analytics tools developed by Microsoft that can turn complex data from various sources into coherent, visually immersive and interactive insights. Now, how do you use Power BI? Well, it's a process that can be broken down into 5 easy steps. Firstly, you need to connect Power BI to your data sources. These can be anything from Excel spreadsheets to SQL Server databases. Power BI supports connections to a wide range of data sources, making it a versatile tool for data analysis. Secondly, you shape and transform the data. This is where you clean up the data, removing any unnecessary information and rearranging it in a way that makes sense for your analysis. Power BI has a feature called Query Editor that allows you to do this. Thirdly, you build a data model. This is where you define how different tables and pieces of data relate to each other. By creating relationships between different data points, you can gain deeper insights into your data. Fourthly, you create reports. Power BI has a powerful report creation tool that allows you to visualize your data in a variety of ways. You can create charts, graphs, maps, and more, all with a few simple clicks. Finally, you share your reports. Power BI allows you to publish your reports and share them with others, making it easy to communicate your findings and insights. So, to recap, 1. Connect Power BI to your data sources. 1. Shape and transform your data. 1. Build your data model. 4. Create reports. 5. Share your reports. In just 5 steps, you can turn complex data into meaningful insights. And the best part, you don't need to be a data scientist to use Power BI. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, anyone can learn to use Power BI and start making sense of their data. So why not give Power BI a try? It might just be the tool you need to unlock the hidden potential in your data. Remember, data is only as good as the insights you can draw from it, and Power BI is a tool that can help you do just that.